Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and change our daylight running lamp on this 2018 Sonata. I already did the right side and make a video on that one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a video for the right side. So I did the left side already, video out for the left, right side time. On the left side we could have go through here and do it, but over here we have the windshield washer reservoir, so we can't go through the top. So that's why I'm doing it for each side. We got to take apart the fender liner by removing these 3 clips right here, just enough so we can pry it back and get into it and see if we have enough room to work here. So the tools I'm going to use is a flathead screwdriver or a clip puller, whichever one you feel comfortable using. So as easy as that. So it doesn't matter which one you want to use. Link will be in the description. So you want to pry this away enough where your hand can go in it. You see that right there? That is the running lamp. So there's another clip right here. I'm gonna remove it. And also you want to turn the wheel to the left side so you can work on it. So first thing first, you want to unplug so I gotta remove my watch. So you gotta unplug the daylight running lamp, then twist it counterclockwise and pull back. So that is the bulb. That's what it looked like. So you want to push down and counterclockwise. You want to get the new bulb 2057. You want to push down. If you push down and can't turn it, you just rotate the bulb, push it down and turn it clockwise, and it lock into place. You do the same thing. You push that back and get it to lock into place. Then you turn it clockwise and then you plug it back in. So I don't know if you can see in there, but that's where that's the bulb right there. You just want to go ahead and put these things back together. Alright guys, the clips are in, that is in. We're gonna go ahead and turn the headlamp on. Once we turn the headlamp on, it should come on. So there you go, and there you go. That's it for this one guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.